Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Bigo Live application in your mobile device. Go to the Play Store and search for Bigo Live. If there's an update, you can see that update will be shown. Click on it, wait for a while, and then your Bigo Live will be updated. And this is how you update your Bigo Live. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. I expect to see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.